चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल बोलो जुबान केसरी।
Top focus, a speeding BMW car hit 3 youth riding a bike late at night on Zirkapur Patiala highway in the Mohali district. 3 youths have got injured in the accident. One of the injured died in Sector 32 hospital in Chandigarh. Post-mortem has been done. One of them is from Uttar Pradesh, another 2 from Chandigarh. The condition of the remaining 2 is critical. After the death, family members closed the Patiala highway. They blocked it at night. The pictures on the screen showing a hit and run, this time reported from Mohali in Punjab, and it's been reported after 2 have been injured and 1 dead after the luxury car ran over them. The pictures clearly show the injured. The Patiala highway, the Zirkapur Patiala highway in Mohali district has been closed. There was a protest there. We're going to go across to our reporter Akil, who's going to be joining us live on the story. The condition, Akil, if you can give us more details. There are protests that are happening in Mohali. What is the condition of the 2 who've been injured? Has the person with the Mohali BMW, has he been arrested?
Well, Rhythm, if you see what has happened after the Pune car incident, another incident has been reported in Mohali, where 3 friends were going for a birthday party, and at that time when they were going for a birthday party night, at that time a BMW car driving from another side has hit that bike, and in that accident 1 person has died and 2 others were injured. Right now I'm just standing outside the Zirakpur police station. Here you can see the visual behind me is of Zirakpur police station, where that accident car has been taken, and I would like to request my Vijay to show you the visual of that BMW high-end car and the condition of that car over here. And what we know so far from the investigation, from the probe, that the car was running at a speed of 146 km per hour when that accident took place. And while we were speaking to the officials in the Zirakpur police department, they have said that on that road itself, the actual speed for running any kind of vehicle is approximately 70 km per hour to 80 km per hour. Right now I'm joined by Dharampal ji, who is an investigation officer in this case. We are going to just try to speak to him to get to know the exact details. At what time, Dharampal ji, this incident took place?
ये प्लेस हुआ जी 28/5/24 की बात है। रात 10 PM पर पटियाला रोड जीरकपुर में एक मोटरसाइकिल जा रहा था, उस पर 3 नौजवान सवार थे। तो ये BMW वाली गाड़ी है, जो इसने मोटरसाइकिल के पीछे मारा, तो वो तीनों नौजवान डिग गए। तीनों को गंभीर चोटें लगी, जिनको एम्बुलेंस में डाल के इलाज के लिए JP हॉस्पिटल जीरकपुर में भेजा, और वहां से उन्होंने सीधे देखते हुए उनको रेफर कर दिया GMCH 32 चंडीगढ़ को।
ये बताइए कि जिस वक्त कार का एक्सीडेंट हुआ, उस वक्त कार की जो रफ्तार थी वो 146 किलोमीटर पर आवर थी। हमने कार के अंदर देखा, वो जो मीटर है वो 146 पे रुका हुआ है। वहां पर जो एक नॉर्मल रफ्तार है उस सड़क पे कार की, वो कितनी होनी चाहिए थी?
वो 60-70 होनी चाहिए उससे, क्योंकि रोड जो हर टाइम चलता है, 24 घंटे चलता है, इसलिए जाना गाड़ी तेज नहीं चल सकती वहां पर।
तो क्या ये जो आपने उस वक्त जब इंसिडेंट हुई, घटना हुई, क्या आपने अल्कोहल का ब्रेथलाइजर किया आपने उसके, क्या वो ड्रंक एंड ड्राइव का केस था?
नहीं सर, उस टाइम जो अक्यूज था वहां पर था नहीं, जो भाग गया था।
आप ये कह रहे हैं कि अक्यूज जो था उस वक्त इंसिडेंट होने के बाद भाग गया,
गाड़ी छोड़ के भाग गया था, वहां पर नहीं था। हमने तो गाड़ी को उसी दिन कब्जे में ले रखा, पुलिस में लेके हमने लेके थाने कर दिया। तो उसकी बात तलाश की, तो काल जो बंदा की डेथ हुआ साहब था, साहब लड़का था, उसकी उम्र 18 साल थी। तो उसके पिता की स्टेटमेंट रिकॉर्ड करके हमने एफआई दर्ज कर।
आपको नहीं लगता है कि आपने कार्रवाई करने में काफी देर कर दी? क्योंकि अब तक जो है आपने जो 3 विक्टिम्स हैं इसके अंदर, 3 लोगों को चोट लगी, एक का डेथ हो गया, बाकी 2 लोगों की आपने जो है स्टेटमेंट अभी तक रिकॉर्ड नहीं किए?
नहीं सर, वो अभी ठीक ठाक बोल नहीं पा रहे हैं। जब ठीक बोल पाएंगे उनकी स्टेटमेंट रिकॉर्ड करेंगे जी। हमने सिर्फ जो जिसकी डेथ हुआ है उसका पिता जाकिर हुसैन है, वो संभल डिस्ट्रिक्ट यूपी के रहने वाले हैं
Right.
और जहाँ पर वो आदमी किराए पर रहते हैं, 7 साल से जहाँ पर रहते हैं उसकी भी
So here you see the police officer is saying right now that the car was running at a very high speed of 146 km per hour, but the actual speed on that road is approximately 60 km per hour to 70 km. Here you can see the visual of that car. I mean, if you see the visual, the accident, the impact of that car, it's the front portion of this car is completely thrashed. If you see the bonnet of this car, it's completely thrashed. This is a BMW, a very high-end car, and when the incident took place at that time, then what we know so far from the police official sources that when the accident took place at that time, the car was running at a speed of 146 km per hour, but the actual speed on that road was approximately 60 to 70 km per hour. So on one point, if you see, there's a complete violation. But when we tried to speak to the official in the Zirakpur Thana, they are saying that we haven't done the alcohol breathalyzer test, so that test was not yet done. So it is yet to be seen that whether was it a drunk and drive case. So it is yet to be seen, Rhythm.
Absolutely. Thank you, Akhil, for that update. We'll continue coming back to you.